Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Watch 5. It's an amazing device, isn't it? I believe most of you have it with you, right? Yeah? Oh, you're very good. Ready? Okay, because we're going to play with the watch in a minute. Alright, so let me tell you more about the tech aesthetics or the design of the Huawei Watch 5. From what you can see in front of you, it is well designed, right? Who agrees? If you agree, raise your hand. Okay. I think many agree, but they're busy. It has a futuristic, streamlined design, which is really, really nice. You can see the curves over here, the details on the crown and on the other parts of the body. In addition, it has a spherical sapphire glass. Now, spherical is good for the visibility. Sapphire glass is very good for bringing scratch resistance. So I know sometimes we're walking, we probably would slam our watch to the door or to the car, to the wall. This will give more protection to your watch using sapphire glass, and it will stay clean and neat for a longer period. In addition to having 3000 nits, which means the brightness is extreme on the Huawei Watch 5. How is that? How many of you were using a smartwatch before? A few people, that's good. I'm sure that whenever you were outside in broad daylight, sometimes you have to do this. Right? When you're outside in the sun, you have to do this, right? Because there's a lot of reflection coming from the sunlight to the watch. By having 3000 nits, which is around 2 to 3 times more than competition, this way you have full visibility, full brightness, and you don't need to hide your watch anymore. It's very easy to see the notifications, WhatsApp, the reply, and all of that. So this is very important in the Huawei Watch 5. The Huawei Watch 5 comes in 2 variants. The first variant is the 46mm variant, which is using aerospace-grade titanium. Now, titanium is strong, but aerospace-grade means it is used. This particular type of titanium is used in space. In spaceships, in rockets, and other equipments.